Hey everyone, welcome to my video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you are going to check your hard disk performance. Basically, you know that we lost most of our data because we are not careful about our hard disk health. We are using it for a long time and suddenly it crashes. So before it crashes, you should identify your problems. So I'm not being biased, but there are lots of apps and softwares in the market that will help you to hard disk health. So this is one of the app which is disk monitor. It's a free edition. uh, for example, if you are going to run it once, it's almost free actually. Let I'm Since I have downloaded it from this site, uh, diskmonitor.com. So I'm going to set it up and I'm going to launch it. Okay, so basically I'm evaluating actually just abcd at gmail.com. Just I'm typing it randomly since I don't need, I have. Okay, okay, so this is my hard disk. So this is my SSD actually. See the temperature, you can check it, check its temperature, its memory, its health. See, there's a health attribute, this is health attribute, this health performance. You can check your status from here. You can refresh it, you can check it from preference. Red means critical, yellow means warning, normal is green. So you can, and now we are going to scan it to check for errors. So for example, you can have a quick scan, we can have an extended scan, but for now I'm doing a quick scan. We are going to check it. See, it's checking one by one each sectors. So there are like, how many sectors? There are like some 5 billion sectors on my PC. So yeah. Why this important? Because you need this actually. We lost our data most of the time. So I did have the same problem. So if it becomes red, you will see there is a bad block, and the blue block is verifying if there is any block, and the white ones is which ones is still unverified. So by this you can check your hard disk health. So now I'm not wasting your time on this part. No, I'm not extending this video further, so I can stop it here. Okay, so till now I didn't have any problem. Give it some time, okay? Because if you give it time, it will check. So see, there are some. It will store your temperature record. For example, if you have very high temperature records or in percentages, it will keep your data in this event block. And statistics, you can check the temperature graph. It reaches the highest of 70 degrees Celsius, not more than that, which is pretty good. So current disk. Okay, so this is it. There are lots of them. You can you can have it full version, or you can have it, you can purchase this one from its website. So this is the website. For example, it is like $50. This is more. I don't think so you need this to buy, because if you are going to check it for once, but I would suggest you to check your every month, because to protect your data and prevention of your data loss. So that's it for today. In this video you learn how you're going to check your hard disk health. Thank you so much. If you like my video, subscribe channel, or if you are not going to subscribe, just hit a like button and comment if it solves any of your problem. Thank you so much.